In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a landing page in Mailchimp that will deliver your lead magnet. Because you've created a lead magnet that you just know is going to convert your audience into email subscribers. But how does that work? How do you deliver the lead magnet? How do you get people to sign up? If you're a Mailchimp user, this video is for you. If you're not a Mailchimp user, I am going to be sharing other ways that you can integrate your lead magnet over the next few videos. And if you hang around to the end, I've got a bonus for you. I'm going to show you how you can integrate your Mailchimp landing page into your website and your website measurement plan. But first, if you would like a digital marketing lesson just like this one in 10 minutes or less per week, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you'll get a notification each time I upload one. The problem with Mailchimp? Email marketing got more sophisticated. When Mailchimp was born and it was the only one out there, email marketing was a simple thing. We'd collect email addresses, we'd deliver emails to people. It was as simple as that. But now it's got more complex. We want to use lead magnets. We want to segment our audiences and send different types of emails to different types of customers. A lot of tools have integrated customer relationship management into it. And to be honest, Mailchimp is probably, like almost definitely the hardest to integrate these new features into. But it can be done, and it can be done on the free plan. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do today. What do you need to get started with your Mailchimp landing page for your lead magnet? Well, obviously you need a lead magnet, you need a Mailchimp account, you should have a list of the key benefits of your lead magnet to your target audience. You need a thank you page on your website that you will send people to after they've completed the form. And this is important for measurement. And you also might want to create some graphics to enhance your landing page. Now you're ready to create, so go ahead, sign into Mailchimp. Step one is to upload your lead magnet into Mailchimp. Click into Content Studio on the left-hand side, click on My Files and upload. It's a good idea to copy the URL here. This is the exact link that will bring people back to your lead magnet on Mailchimp, and save that somewhere because you may want to use it again later. If you missed it at this point, it's okay, you can still get the URL. You can click on your lead magnet, view details, and you'll see copy URL at the top of the page there. And just to make sure that that link is working properly, paste that link into the address bar at the top of your browser and just make sure that everything's there as it should be. Step number 2 is to create a tag in Mailchimp. So this time you want to click on Audience on the left-hand side and click on Tags. Click on Create Tag. Give your tag a name and make sure it's something that you will remember later on. Anything so you'll know immediately what it represents. Click on Create. Step number 3 is the bit we've been waiting for, is to create your landing page. Click on your Campaigns tab on the left-hand side, click Create Campaign and Landing Page on the left-hand side. Give it a name. Select an audience. So this is the list that people who sign up via your landing page will be added to. Don't forget we're going to add a tag so people will be segmented within that list. Click on Begin. Select a template. I'm going for something quite simple. And to edit your template, anything that you click on the left-hand side will open up a little box on the right-hand side. So here you see that I can upload a logo. For this could be the graphic that you've specifically designed for this lead magnet. Here you can change your headline to represent your lead magnet. In this section, outline the key benefits of your lead magnet, that text that you wrote earlier on. And then the form, which is the most important piece. I would always ask for a first name alongside an email address. This means that you can actually customize your emails to include a name. Scroll down to Send To, and from confirmation message, you want to click web address. And this is where you will put the link for your thank you page. Click Save and Close. Once you've finished editing, click Save and Close. Now you're on the review page, and the most important thing to do here is to add your tags. And you'll see this section, Audience and Tags. If I click Edit Audience and click the plus button, I can select that tag that I created earlier. Click Save. And now click Publish. And yay, you have published it. You now have a landing page, and copy this link to your landing page and save it somewhere, because you're going to need this later when you go and promote your lead magnet. Now you've created your landing page for your lead magnet, and you have set it up to tag anyone that asks for it. How do we send the lead magnet out? That's step 4. Setting up an automated email. To do this, click into the Campaigns tab again, click Create Campaign, select Email, and select Automated from the top menu. Now click on Email Subscribers when they're tagged. Give your campaign a name, and once again, this needs to be representative of what this email campaign is doing. So you might name it after the lead magnet, or you might name it after the tag. Click on Begin. The next piece is to update the trigger. So click on Edit, and instead of people having to wait 1 day or 1 hour, let's send it to people immediately they filled in the form. Select the tag and click Update Trigger. This is exactly the same process as sending a regular email. So you'd fill in your sections here as you would if you were sending a regular email through Mailchimp. Click the Next button. Select a template. I always like to go with the plain text one, but obviously you choose the one that is most on brand for you. And you could either include your lead magnet like a regular link that you would include within your email, or you could add a button. And to do that, just scroll down until you see button, and you can just pull this in to your design. And in the link to field where it says web address at the moment, select File, and now you can choose the lead magnet that you uploaded earlier on. Click Insert, and now that means that when somebody clicks that download button, they will be given this file. Click Save and Close, and at the bottom, Save and Continue. When you're happy with your email, click Next. If there's any issues, you'll notice that Mailchimp will flag it with a big red X, and usually it's just that you've left some placeholder text in your email, which obviously I did because this is a tutorial. And once you've fixed all those things, click Start Sending, and that will set up the whole process for you. Step 5 is to test your lead magnet. Before you send out links into the wild, just make sure the whole process works. Go to your landing page, fill in the form, make sure that you're tagged within Mailchimp, and look out for that email arriving with the lead magnet. If that all works seamlessly, you can start promoting your lead magnet and gathering email subscribers. And now it's time for that bonus. How do you integrate this Mailchimp landing page into your marketing, into your website, into your measurement plan? Landing pages are an essential part of your lead magnet process. With Mailchimp, the only way that you can deliver your lead magnet is in the way that I've just shown you, which involves a landing page. Hopefully one day they'll change that. However, this doesn't mean that you can't use your website to promote your lead magnet. In fact, what I advise is that you create a better landing page as part of your website. You set up a button for people to get your download. When they click that button, they're sent through to your Mailchimp landing page. And as we know, if you've got it set up right, when they complete the form on the Mailchimp landing page, they're sent back to your website, to the thank you page. And the advantage of this, 1, you have a lot more control over the design because it's on your own website. 2, it's more measurable because you're able to get people from one step to the next and measure the conversion rate of each. And when they arrive at that thank you page, you can measure that with Google Analytics goals. You can set up a Facebook Pixel event, which means that you can run conversion ads and measure when people actually complete the process. You're all set up with your lead magnet now on Mailchimp. Now you need to promote it. How do you do that? Well, you can follow my 11-step accumulator method for promoting your lead magnet. And you can do that by watching this video.